Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying your provider plan and available locations so you pick the right pool. Next, fetch your credentials and note host port. Once done, decide protocol based on your client, HTTPS for browser testing, SOCKS 5 for apps. Configure a single test endpoint first and set a short timeout. Make sure to record the username and password format since some providers use zone-based or IP auth. This quick start gets you a working connection without overcomplicating the setup. Once connected, configure your client with the proxy details, including an auth header if the client needs it. Test via curl or a browser. Then implement rotation. Decide session persistence versus fresh IPs, set rotation intervals, and map requests to specific IP pools. Make sure to throttle concurrency and add exponential backoff for 429s or errors. Monitor latency and success rates so you can tune timeouts and session lifetimes. These middle steps balance reliability with anonymity. You finish by validating behavior. Check external IP, headers, and geolocation to ensure the proxy is applied. Then clean up. Close stale sessions, clear caches, and rotate credentials on a schedule to reduce reuse fingerprints. If you hit blocks, change IP quickly, increase request delays, or switch to a different location, make sure to test each change. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see consistent 403 or 429, reduce concurrency and add randomized time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.